Hello guys, so today is the 23rd of May, it's a Thursday, and my first exam is tomorrow. My timetable is a disgrace. Today I've been doing quite a bit of work, I'll show you. Right, so for today I've been doing quite a bit of mechanics and circular motion, and so I've just been going over some videos. I also am drawing on the specification, drawing on any points. I only just started. And going through things I didn't know, and I'll just go through the rest of that. Been doing my upplan, some centripetal force and random stuff, and been using this data sheet, and it's like disintegrating, and I've got my CGP book which is also disintegrating. One day to go until, not even one day, like 20 hours or something, until my first ever A-level. This is real, guys. So yeah, I'll tell you what I think of it when I come out of it, and then I'll do the same for all my other exams. So I can already tell this is going to be a long video. Don't know how long, but you know I like to chat. Oh my goodness, it's on its last legs. Hello vlog, I have just completed, well not just, but I completed my physics paper 1, my first A-level today, and it kind of went okay. I mean, my friends are having mixed reactions. Some of them are saying it went really well, and then others are saying that it went terribly. I'm kind of somewhere in the middle, so we'll wait and see what next papers bring, but I think I should be okay for now. I don't know how to feel. Right, so guys, you see this balloons? These are for the year 11s. The year 11s this year. When we were year 11s, we got kicked out of the school right after we finished our last exam. Finally, don't think anyone is here. I mean, there are some cars, but I've got my maths exam today and it's going to be rough. I don't know what to expect. I'm feeling okay, but I know that it's going to be bad, so we'll see. I'll update you later. Hello everyone, I have just completed my first maths paper. Didn't go well, but it didn't go terribly either. I managed to do most of the questions, not all of them. But the worst thing is coming out of the exams and hearing how well everyone else found it. Like on some of the group chats I'm on, some people were like, oh that was so beautiful, that was amazing. And I'm here just like, help. Those people are high achievers, so I don't feel as terrible, but still, it's not an awesome place to be in right now, but I'm just gonna focus. I've got biology tomorrow and then physics the day after. I'm gonna do mainly physics revision because it's paper 2 and I am screwed. Like I can't even describe to you how much I'm gonna fail that. So yeah, I'm gonna do some physics and maybe a little bit of biology. Hello all, I just completed my biology paper 1 today and it went well. The first 1, 2, I think have gone quite well. I had like spare time at the end and I just felt quite confident answering the questions. Usually biology is like this for me though, so I was a bit scared on the lead up to exams because I think there is that stress of like, oh no, this is like the actual A-level, but it turned out fine. Right now I'm revising for physics because paper 2 is going to end my life. If I do not do well in this, then my hopes of getting an A star or an A are out the window, and I need those, so I need to do well in this exam. Good morning guys, it is the 6th of June and today is paper 2 and I don't know, well paper 2 physics, and I don't know what to do because I have sort of revised this but I also haven't fully. I literally revised mainly physics paper 1 and that's not just out of physics, that's out of everything. And that paper 1 was okay. It was okay, it didn't go like the best, it didn't go too terribly, but
For me to spend all my time revising on something, I want big returns. And I didn't feel that I got big returns. And so now I'm doing paper 2 and I'm thinking, what is this? Because I was doing this past papers and this one as well was the one. And like halfway through them, I was just like, what am I even doing here? Like, what is happening? And I just stopped them. And right now it's like 6:28 and I'm trying to revise, but part of me is like, it's pointless. Like, you should just just let it go because you're not gonna get the grades anyway. I have a really big feeling. I don't really like paper 2 anyway, but I have a really big feeling that it's gonna go terribly. I don't think anything could have prepared me for that paper. It's currently like 8:18, and after physics paper 2, AQA physics paper 2, 2024, I am done. I am retiring. What was that paper? So I thought, oh no, it can't be that bad. I thought, it's not going to be worse than last year. Come on, like they still need people to, you know, stick to their exam board. They need the money, so obviously they're going to make this year's better. I believed the lies online. No, it was not better. This is the single worst paper I think I've ever done. I'm just so glad that everyone else agreed. I came home and I took a nap for 3 hours, and now I'm not even doing any work. And I really should be, because on Monday I've got, I think it's Monday, someday I've got chemistry. Next week I've got chemistry paper 1, maths paper 2 and biology paper 2. So I should be revising, but I'm just drained and I've still got 8 more exams to go. But yeah, if you're watching this and you're doing physics and your exams next year, I'm really praying for you, because yeah, just use this as motivation to work hard, because I feel like I'm gonna fail. I fret to see what results I get, if I get any. At least I passed my practical competencies though. That's a good step. I feel it's only fair I treat myself to a lovely double chocolate mocha after that train wreck, car crash. I don't even know what that was. It's super odd because this smells like really concentrated wee, and I haven't tasted it yet, but I am very concerned. Taste test. That tastes really odd. Wait, it has like this really odd chemical taste. Ow. Yeah, it doesn't taste normal, but at the same time it's a hot drink and I'm gonna drink it. I am regretting every life decision so far, but I am actually doing some revision now. Well, I say that. I've got all my chemistry. I've got so many chemistry papers right now that I can be doing. I mean, some of them are half completed, but I'm just gonna have, you know, like, I'm gonna do the rest of them and then check the mark scheme. I'm just easing my pains with these memes. They're so funny. Today is the 8th of June and I look like a mess because I have been so stressed today. I was meant to be revising because next week I've got chemistry paper 1, which I've not done anything really for, maths paper 2 and biology paper 2, but I can't get the fear of failure out of my head, especially after paper 2 physics. It was so disgraceful, and I know the grade boundaries are going to be like slightly lower, but it doesn't ease my mind, because I know that I didn't perform as well as I should have during that. Despite the paper being hard, I still could have answered some questions better. My mum gave me a bit of a pep talk, a bit of tough love, and I'm just gonna get on, do some chemistry. The thing is I'm gonna fail chemistry anyway, so I should probably be revising maths, but I don't want to revise. No, I mean, I do want to revise. I don't want to not revise chemistry and Monday be an absolute, these kids. Anyway, Monday be an absolute train wreck. Hi guys, you know, I just want to keep it real with you, and today is Sunday. I don't know exactly what day it is. Sunday the 9th, I think. And I have done some chemistry, some acids and bases, which I was doing yesterday, but I've not actually done that much. It's really depressing, and I really thought I was gonna get out of this, but I just can't, and I'm really scared for, well, this week coming is okay, but the week after, with 5 exams, I'm gonna be sleeping. I'm not gonna get any revision done, like last minute revision done, and that is really scary, because I wanted to give every exam my all, but I don't know whether I'm gonna be able to do that. If you're watching this and you're in year 12, year 11, you've got exams, even year 10, then make sure that you do the revision before your exams, the exam period starts. Don't rely on last minute cramming or revision on the weekends, because the reality is you're going to be so drained and tired, and it takes a lot of willpower to do anything. I am going to have to try and force myself to go back and do some more work, but it is really hard, so just be wary of that. I'm so scared for results day now, and I shouldn't even be thinking about that because I've got 8 more exams left. Good morning everyone. So first, ignore the weird noise in the background, it's an air purifier. So anyway, today is chemistry, and I am so dead. Like, I was revising a little bit yesterday, but for the whole of like this year I've not revised chemistry, because last year I did and it didn't really get me anywhere. I was still getting B's, the occasional A, but it wasn't anything close to the work I'd put in for it. So I decided, nope, I'm just not gonna even work on it. I'm gonna do the biology, maths and physics, and just take the chemistry exam, which, you know, like, it's a good idea, because all of my offers are for 3 A levels and not for 4, and I don't even know why I took 4, because I'm not actually that smart. Still, I've got the stress on me for this A level, even though I don't have to do well. I want to do well. It's about to rain. I think it is already raining, which is a bit of pathetic fallacy really, because I am going to do so badly in this exam. I mean, I'm still not excited for results day, but I am excited to just get this all over and done with. I don't even care if I go to uni at this point. I just don't want to do A-levels anymore. Okay, bye. Hello. So today was chemistry, paper 1, and you know what? It actually went alright. I won't say well, because there were a lot of questions where I was like, I wasn't too sure, but it went alright considering that I'd completely like left it, and I have Jesus to thank. Yesterday and today I did some prayer, and kind of like the whole period of time I did some prayer, but I did some really like deep praying, and I revised a few things that I thought, oh my goodness, I really should revise them, because I just felt like I needed to. It was inexplicable, but I just felt like a massive strong urge to revise those things. So I revised them, and they came up. One of them was the reversible reaction, using Fe2 Plus as a catalyst, and I literally looked at that the morning before the exam, which is just crazy. So yeah, I'm very happy right now. Obviously, like, my perception of chemistry, it going well for me, is not going to be everyone's perception, and also this is not my usual standard. So if I was holding chemistry to my usual standards, this wouldn't have been a great paper, but because I've not revised it, yeah, it was okay. Hello guys, so today is the 11th of June and I'm doing my maths paper 2, and you know, like, I've prepared for it, so we'll see what will come up. I don't think it's going to be too bad. I don't think it's going to be great, and I don't think it will be as good as paper 1, but you never know. But yeah, I've done all that I can to prepare for it. I think it's in the afternoon. I'm going to go into school early because I'm so scared of missing one of my exams. It's not like I live like 5 minutes away like some of my friends, so they could basically just run to school and probably still make it. No, I live like quite far away, and then if traffic is like present, then it would just be terrible. So I'm going to try and get in early. I find it really hard to do revision for maths because I've basically done, not everything, but most things, and I know most things, and so the real problem would be applying it under exam pressures and conditions. But I've kind of done like quite a few questions by now, so I kind of know how to approach most things. So yeah, I'm very scared though because it could just be awful like paper 2 physics was, but I'm really hoping Edexcel don't do that.
So guys, we went to One Stop and I picked up these, and it says flavours in the bag are picked at random. I look in the bag and it's basically all lemon. I don't mind lemon, but I don't want all lemon. It's not funny. That's so bad.
Hi everyone, today is the 11th and well, it's quite late now, it's like nearly 8, but I did my biology, no, not biology, oh my goodness, maths paper 2 today. My brain is so fried, I am so tired, like genuinely so tired. But yeah, so maths paper 2 wasn't great. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't great at all, and I missed out some questions, and I hate missing out questions. I hate leaving things, but I left quite a few questions, and I'm really scared. Like, I don't know, I shouldn't be doing this, but I've been looking at the grade boundaries for other years, and I'm just trying to predict whether I got an A or not. I really need an A. I wanted an A star, but realistically, like, am I gonna get that? No. So I'm still trying to aim for that A. We'll see what happens. I am slightly doubtful, and I need to revise for paper 3 stats and mechanics, but I actually cannot. Like, I'm trying to force myself to watch this like biology recap from Miss Estruck, but I just like, I can't. I need to sleep, but I also like don't want to, even though I'm not doing any work if I don't sleep. I don't know, maybe I should sleep. Hello everyone, so today is the morning of my biology exam. It's paper 2, and I have woke up, not early, but it's 7 right now. I'm going to go into school early. I'm just going to cram because I know nothing, and I get so cocky with biology because usually I don't do that much revision and I can still scrape that A, but this time is going to be different. I just feel it because I went through the book and I was like, I don't know anything. So yeah, I'm just hoping they're kind and they give me loads of photosynthesis and respiration, because if it's anything to do with muscles or any of the gene expression stuff, I'm sorry. And I know it's going to be the gene expression because that comes up every year. Basically, I've been writing in this diary, right?
and it's basically been like my kind of outlet. I'm very spontaneous with it, and in this diary I've put a list of predictions of how my exams are going to go, and so far every single exam has been like completely correct, and it's really eerie. So I've not looked at the biology one, but if it goes anything like it says in there, I don't even know, I might be a psychic, I might have to sign up for something, get a crystal ball, and you know. I'm just gonna have a quick Bible study, pray, and then go downstairs and get out and revise. So goodbye. Hey guys, today is the 14th of June and I have just completed my biology paper 2, and it was a weird one really, because it wasn't too bad, because the topics that came up weren't complex. Like, I was really scared that muscles was going to come up and a lot of like homeostasis, but like the hard complex bits and the things which are content heavy. But I didn't find that actually happened. I found that a lot of it was just kind of the easier topics. The questions were a bit weird, but it wasn't a terrible paper. I need serious help because basically, right, I am cramming astrophysics today because I did it a long time ago and I've forgotten everything. And I've done, wait, I'll show you in a different video. Right, so far I've done lenses, all of the different types of telescopes, magnitude, and I'm on this bit. So I've done this like chunk, but I've still got all of these pages left, and this is the content heavy bit, so I'm very scared. I've got like this much left. Like, what is that? Help me, please. So guys, it's my little brother's birthday on Sunday, and I got him this really cute little like punching bag from B&M. And you know, you just like hold it up. And then I also got like this, I don't know if you guys ever had one when you were a kid, I don't know what that is on it. Oh, it's onion skin. Probably because it was in that bag. But basically, like, you do this with it and it's really fun. So yeah, hopefully he likes it. Hello guys, ignore these eyebrows, okay? I dyed them yesterday and they look a bit strong, I get that, but they're for my prom, which is like, I think it's next week, which is crazy because that means that I'm literally almost done. And I am, because I have 5 more days left. So if I can get through these 5, I'll be fine. But I had the worst experience this morning. I woke up and my window looks like that, okay? It is proper shining outside. So I thought, oh my goodness, I've missed my exam because it was like really, really bright. But no, it was 5:50. When I tell you, to be honest, I prefer it that way round. Then it'd be dark and like me still thinking I had ages, but I didn't. And I find that I wake up really easily, naturally, if there's light. So summer has its perks, you know. But yeah, so today I have physics paper 3. This might be my best physics paper. And like, I know most people find it hard, and I used to find it hard as well. But I've been doing like quite a lot of practice questions, quite a lot of like uncertainties. So maybe not in terms of this exam series, but in general, I like paper 3 the most. It's just really logical. So we'll see how today goes. If it's a repeat of last year, where paper 2 and paper 3 were absolute trash and vile, then I will not be happy when I next see you, because I am so scared of not performing well under those kinds of conditions. Hello you guys, so today marks the end of my journey with A-level physics, and it has been an interesting journey, an exciting journey, but I'm just happy it's over now.
I am probably going to be really sad and still continue like doing physics questions and reading up, you know, about physics in the summer holidays, but all the stress has been alleviated now. I don't need to remember any physics. Tomorrow is chemistry paper 2, so I'm just preparing for that, and all the physics has gone out of my mind already. And you know what, that paper actually didn't go too badly, and it wasn't like last year, luckily. So even though my paper 2 was atrocious, paper 3 made up for it 100%. Well, I say 100%. It made up for it slightly. I still am a bit iffy, so I wanted an A star, but I don't think I'm gonna get that. I'm hoping for an A. I could have really miscalculated everything and be in the running for a C. I'm hoping not, because I really need that A. But we'll see. About to go in for chemistry paper 2. Not revised and not feeling good, so we'll see, but I think it's going to be quite terrible, to be frank. Hello everybody. Okay, so I'm going to take this off. So today I did chemistry paper 2, and surprisingly, okay, it didn't go well, but it didn't go terribly. I thought it was going to be catastrophic, and it wasn't. Paper 3, however, will be. I can feel it in my bones. Like, the first 2 papers have been somewhat accessible for me, and I've not been revising chemistry like for this past like 2 months, so something's got to give. But yeah, like everything I revised yesterday came up. So for example, I revised a lot of benzene because I felt this compelling urge to revise benzene, and it came up as a 6 marker or a 5 marker, I don't know, but basically, yeah, which is really good, and I'm really happy. But then that means that all of the harder topics are coming up on the paper 3, which is a bit scary. But I think that makes up less marks of the grade overall, so, you know, I should hopefully get a B. Oh yeah, biology paper 3 tomorrow. I am going to fail this because it's everything. I don't know why they do this to us. Why do they like make us revise everything, like store our knowledge? Because once I do an exam, I want that content to be over. I don't want to have to remember all of that stuff. Like, that is just pure stress. Like, they hate us. Like, AQA actually hate us. But do you know what? I'm glad, because none of the exams have gone as badly as physics paper 2. That was just crazy. And they've all been relatively okay. Like, some of them have been very average, and some of them have been like not great, but none of them have been terrible, so that's all good. Hello people of the world. I'll make it quick because I have to get out of the house, but basically biology paper 3 is today in the morning, and I think it will be alright. I don't think it will be great, and I don't think it will be terrible. Hopefully I'm right, because I need an A star. Well, I don't need it, but I want an A star in biology, and if I do terribly on this test, there's no way I'm getting it. Hi guys, I forgot to update everyone, well, you guys, on the biology paper 3. So today actually was okay. It wasn't like amazing. I forgot which one went well. There was one biology that went well and 2 that were kind of like iffy. I think the first one went well and the second 2 were okay. But yeah, biology's done now. So tomorrow I've got maths, and I am bricking it because it's not going to go well. I just know it. I said that about biology, but maths I do know it's not going to go well. And then I've got chemistry on Friday, and I genuinely couldn't care less about chemistry, so what will happen, but maths I need to get an A at least, and it is not looking likely. I'm doing stats right now, so I could probably do a hypothesis test to show you the likelihood of me getting an A, and let me tell you, the chances are very, very slim, but I am going to try and cram. It's an afternoon one. I love how maths are afternoon, because that means that you have all of tonight, which right now it's nearly 10, so I left this very late. But I have all of tonight and then all of tomorrow morning to prepare myself mentally. Guys, I can't lie, stats is not looking good. Like, I love stats, but I've left it so late, and now I'm just doing like literally like really basic normal distribution stuff, and I am going to fail tomorrow's paper because I left it way too late. Hello guys, so today is maths paper 3, yeah, paper 3, so I'm basically nearly done apart from tomorrow, which is chemistry. I'm very scared for maths, like I need this to pull me through because the other 2 papers were like kind of mid and I need an A, so we'll see. I'm really hoping for an A, but I don't know, it's actually really scary now. So yeah, I'm just watching Mr. Bison maths and just hoping that he pulls me through this, because it's, yeah, the outcome is looking very bleak, I can't lie. But 2 more exams and then I'm completely done, so all is good, it's kind of. Hi guys, excuse the hair, I just got out of the shower. Today I completed my last maths exam ever, and tomorrow is my last A-level, like, ever. Like, that is so crazy. My next steps are either uni or resits, so in that case it wouldn't be my last A-level. I'm really hoping I don't have to do resits, but with every day that's progressing it's becoming more and more likely, but hopefully not. So this could potentially be the last A-level I ever take, and this is what 2 years have been riding on. Oh yeah, maths went okay. It actually went fine. Like, it wasn't the best, but it definitely wasn't the worst, and it was just kind of the same quality as the other 2, which isn't too bad because I feel like I might be able to scrape an A, hopefully, fingers crossed. But chemistry I'm really scared for, because the thing is that I know nothing. Oh, terrible lighting. Yeah, I know nothing and I'm probably going to fail, but then again, chemistry doesn't really matter too much to me, so you win some, you lose some. I can't lie guys, I am cramming. I never thought this would happen. I thought I'd have it all in control, but I do not, and I am very, very stressed. I have prayed and I have read my Bible today, and ultimately it is in God's hands, but still I needed to do the best that I could and I haven't, so yeah, just cramming. Hi guys, so today is my last day, like officially last day ever, because it's my last exam and I don't think I'm going to be going into school for like anything else, which is really crazy. Also, mind the face, it will get better, but that's so weird. So today's chemistry paper 3, and I'm gonna be honest, like I haven't really revised it that much. I don't really care too much. I was hoping for a B, but apparently this paper is really hard and brings everyone's grade like way down, so that might not be possible. I'm so close to summer and freedom, so yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with all the freedom once I get it, but at least I'll have it. So, well, actually I do have a few plans. So firstly, I'm gonna learn my guitar and like become really, really good at, as good as you can in the space of like 2 months. Also got work experience, which I was actually I got an email like a week or 2 back saying that like I could film it, so I'll be able to vlog that work experience. And then next week, obviously, like I've got prom, we'll go to London with my friends maybe, and I'm gonna go to this like Spartan race, which is really cool. So I've got a lot of things planned. But anyway, yeah, this is my last like ever school vlog or just school day. So I will update you when I've finished and I'm going to school, or I'm in school, or I've done my exam. Bye.
Finally done with school forever. Goodbye NSG. I don't know if I'll miss you, but goodbye anyway.
3, 2, 1, bosh. Oh, that's terrible. 3, 2, 1, bosh.
What?
No, because I get really scared, sorry. No.
Mummy's is really good. My turn.
Pop it on a different... Actually, you're still gonna... Ooh!
Oh, you're gonna break that.
Who is this for? Is this yours?
That's mine, yeah.
Yeah. Hold it.
Hold the bicycle.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Woo!
Hello guys, excuse the mess. I'm like awake at like 2 in the morning. So technically it's not the day that I finished my A-levels, but whatever. I have finished my A-levels. Yesterday I did chemistry, paper 3, and it wasn't like that bad at all. Like genuinely, it was fine. It wasn't like the greatest, but none of what I didn't revise came up. I don't know if I said that right, but basically I didn't revise like amino acids or any of the biochem stuff. None of it came up. It's been a journey, but now I'm out and I've got the whole summer.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to be burning all of my A-level notes. There is like, wait, I'll show you in a separate video. All of these notes, tears were shed, and now they're all going in the fire where they belong. I think the wind is blowing it out. Okay, fire has been started. Oh, maybe not. Mum. Mum!